So many of the Gen AI participants are asking that we missed the quiz. Is there any way to get goodies, free swag and vouchers? So here in this video I'll talk about it, and Gen AI Academy 2.0 as always has brought a new challenge and where you will be earning some cash vouchers, some gift vouchers, some Amazon Prime subscription and many more hampers too. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and to hype the video. And if you have registered in the Gen AI Academy, you must have received one email. Even though if you have not registered, do not worry, I'll share the video link. Just follow that video and register it. Now what is in the email? There is a new challenge. Here you can see they have mentioned a new challenge. What is this challenge about? Here you have to complete the course. For example, there are multiple tracks in the Gen AI Academy 2.0 like data, AI, ML, and multiple things are there. You have to complete the whole track. For example, if in the data track there are 4 skill badges, you have to complete all 4 skill badges. Regarding the solution, as always, you don't have to worry. You have to come to the description box. I've shared the course playlist also. You can simply check it out, and when you check it, all the solutions are live over here. You can just complete it without any issue. So you have to complete it, and after that you have to submit the dashboard. Like suppose one confusion I want to get it cleared, and they have mentioned in the instructions also. Like suppose if you have completed, what is the time? 3:15. If you have completed the batch around 3:15, you don't have to submit the batch just in the 3:15. You have to submit the batch between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Like you can submit around 6:30, 7:30, 7:55 or 6:30 or 6:15 anytime between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. That too in Indian Standard Time. You must be knowing it is an Indian organized event, so you have to follow the rules. And this event is solely for only Indian participants. That is also I am getting clear to you. Now once you have submitted, you can see the guidelines that you have to submit around this time only, and you don't have to resubmit the track. Like if you have already completed the badge earlier, then you are not eligible for the swags. In that case, you can create a new account, re-register and resubmit in this time also. As they have mentioned that only newly created skill badges will be counted. So that's why you have to create a new account if you have already earned that badge. In case you haven't earned that badge yet, you can just submit it. There is not a issue. Now here you can see I have already cleared this thing, like submission outside this window will count for the certificates but not for the rewards. So many of you were asking that for rewards you need to submit during this time, but if you are unable to get the rewards, will you get the certificates? So certification is for all participants, whether you win the prize or not, you will be getting as you complete the course. And the certificates once the event ends. So like for example, the event is ending on 31st of December. So once the event ends, all the certificates will be mailed to you whichever track you have completed. Now there is no restriction. You can complete all track or only one track, two track. So for all these details, I have made a video. I'll share the playlist. You can just check it out so that you are able to complete. So that's all about this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to participate in other events, you can come to the courses section. Here you can see the arcade challenges here. You can watch the video and complete it. So thank you guys. Have a great